BMW Motorrad unveils its latest creation for the superbike segment. The BMW Motorrad Concept RR as the ultimate performance statement in terms of technology and design for the future generation of BMW RR models. The BMW Motorrad Concept RR is a true masterpiece of our development team, both technically and in terms of design language. Guided and inspired by the BMW Motorrad Factory Superbike. M1000RR, with which BMW Motorrad factory rider Toprak Razgatlıoğlu was able to dominantly win the FIM World Superbike Championship last year. The Concept RR offers a true firework of superlatives for both street and track use. The BMW Motorrad Concept RR relies on the water-cooled inline four-cylinder engine of the World Champion machine from the FIM Superbike World Championship, which already delivers more than 230 horsepower, 169 kilowatts. This promises pure adrenaline in terms of propulsion, and reinforces the leadership claim in the superbike segment. Accompanying this are the electronic control and regulation systems that come directly from the WSBK M1000RR, such as the engine management, traction control, and engine brake. By innovative manufacturing techniques and the use of high-tech materials such as carbon and aluminum, the BMW Motorrad Concept RR sets new benchmarks in lightweight construction. From the frame to the smallest component, every detail is consistently optimized for lightweight construction and performance. The design also follows this principle. Sharp, purposeful, expressive, with an embossed RR logo on the tail and an illuminated RR symbol on the downside of the delicate aluminum tail. The BMW Motorrad engineers placed special emphasis on aerodynamics, particularly on the challenging objectives of riding stability at very high speeds, maximum cornering speeds, and minimal air resistance for optimal top speed. These competing goals are realized by the Concept RR through an unprecedentedly compact package, reduced external attachments, and enhanced precision of airflow, even through the motorcycle, from the ventilated front to the monolithic, also ventilated, aerodynamically optimized rear. For the latest information, keep an eye on Mitamoto. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to develop this channel together. Thank you. See you next time.